The Razer Nommo Chroma Custom is about to change the way you experience audio in your home, studio, or gaming setup. Imagine having a powerful sound system that can transport you to new worlds, make you feel like you're right in the midst of an epic battle, and bring music to life with unparalleled clarity. That's exactly what this product offers. But before we dive into its impressive features, let's talk about who this is for. Gamers, music enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to upgrade their audio experience. If you're tired of weak sound systems that leave you feeling like you're missing out on the action, then this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Now, let's explore what makes the Razer Nommo Chroma Custom so special. One of the standout features is its custom 3-inch woven glass fiber drivers. These drivers produce a tighter sound with higher frequencies, allowing you to hear distinct layers and audio details that make music and games feel more immersive. But why does this matter? When you can hear every instrument, every dialogue, and every sound effect clearly, it's like having your own personal soundtrack playing right in front of you. It's an experience that'll keep you engaged for hours on end. Another key feature is the rear-facing bass ports, which deliver increased bass output for a fuller, richer range of audio. This means you can feel the rumble of explosions, the thump of drums, and the depth of a good bass line all coming together to create an unforgettable sound experience. But what really sets this apart is the bass knob with automatic gain control. With this feature, you can fine-tune the output perfectly from ground-shaking bass to a low hum for late-night sessions. It's like having your own personal audio engineer at your fingertips. So, how does it work? Simply turn the knob until you find the perfect balance of bass and treble, and let the automatic gain control technology do its magic. No need to worry about messing with complicated settings or risking distortion. This system has got you covered. In terms of compatibility, the Razer Nommo Chroma Custom is designed for PC and Mac users who want a reliable and high-quality audio experience. It's compatible with both 3.5mm jacks and USB connections, so whether you're using a gaming PC or a laptop, this system will fit right in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this product worth the investment? Absolutely. With its impressive sound quality, versatility, and durability, this is an audio solution that'll last you for years to come. So, if you're ready to take your audio experience to the next level, click the link below to get started with the Razer Nommo Chroma Custom. Trust me, your ears and your sense of immersion will thank you. The Razer Nommo Chroma Custom is about to change the way you experience audio in your home, studio, or gaming setup once again.